As the world is observing the International Widows' Day today, miseries and victimization of the Kashmiri women at the hands of Indian troops, police and agencies continue unabated in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of the International Widows' Day, the unabated Indian state terrorism rendered 22,944 women widowed since January 1989 till date, as their husbands were martyred by Indian military, paramilitary and police personnel. It said around 2,500 women whose husbands were subjected to custodial disappearance after their arrest by Indian troops and police during the last 34 years are referred to as half-widows. Meanwhile, Kashmiri leaders and rights activists in their separate statements in Srinagar said the Kashmiri women are the worst victims of Indian state terrorism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.